pretend that you created your sequence and you realize that it's the wrong format. Like I want to have this wide format and it's a square format. Um, so what you do is you go to up at the top screen, sequence, sequence settings, and then you change them in here. Now in this situation, this is a 1080 format. So you go to 1080p, has your width in here. Actually, it's a different. Should be and then say OK. This changes to preview file format or the frame size required. All preview files to be deleted. That's preview files. That doesn't mean any of your original footage. That's just the preview stuff you see. You say OK. So now everything is shown correctly.